So in this video, we're going to look at finding station points and their nature. First thing you need to do is open a graph page and start typing in the formula or the equation or the function of the graph. So we've got 2x cubed minus 9x squared plus 12x. Now I quite like to have this part of my graph centered in the middle of my screen. There's not much happening in the negative quadrants, so I am going to change those axes. So what you do is move your cursor over the number until you see the word text, press down twice on the middle of your touchpad, and then put in the value you would like. And do the same again. And there we go, we've got the important part of this curve in terms of station points in the middle, and now we can start trying to find out what they are. So it does look like here that I've got a maximum here and a minimum here. Now to find those coordinates, I press Menu, Analyze Graph, and Maximum for the first one. Now this gives me this dotted vertical line, and once I have it on, say, the left-hand side of what I think is maximum, I press at the middle of my touchpad, and then I move my cursor until the line is what I think is the other side, and then I press down there as well. And there we go, it's now printed what it thinks is the maximum, which is 1, 5. So let's just move that out of the way there. I do exactly the same to find the minimum. Menu, Analyze Graph, but of course select minimum. I take my line to the left-hand side, press the middle of my touchpad, move my cursor until it's the right. Now look, it's minimum and the number's not changing. Then press the middle again. There you are, it's printed that it is 2, 4. So I've got my maximum and minimum, and to show my examiner how I've come up with the nature of the stationary points, I would in my exam paper just make a little sketch of what I have just done.